Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You are in control. First, sign into the channel that owns the stream and open YouTube Studio on desktop. Once there, go directly to Content for archived streams or to Live Control Room for a current stream. Make sure the video is fully processed if it's a VOD. Automatic captions attach after processing. You'll need owner-level access to remove the auto-generated caption track. This is the only reliable path. Studio's caption controls, not the viewer's player, remove the captions at the source. Once in the right place, take action. For a live stream, open Live Control Room, choose Stream Settings or more options, then disable automatic captions and save. That stops captions for future viewers. For an archived video, go to Content, open the video, choose Subtitles, locate the automatic language track, often labeled English Automatic, and delete that track, then confirm and save. This removes the generated caption file from the video itself. Make sure processing is complete, so the caption track is visible to delete. Finish by reloading the video page and testing in an incognito window to confirm captions are gone. If captions still appear, inspect subtitles for additional tracks added by community contributors or third-party caption services and remove those too. If automatic captions reappear after a stream, disable auto captions before the next stream. As a quick fix, unpublish and republish the VOD after deletion. That forces reprocessing. If problems persist, clear browser cache and retry, or verify you have full channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.